cargo ship taking down an iconic Baltimore bridge is being described as a scene from a movie. Now, investigators have new questions about the final moments before the crippled MV Dolly veered off course and into the key bridge. The 911 calls frantic as steel and concrete plunged into the Patapsco River below.
Where you are, and what really strikes you about all of this as you're looking at these pictures that you described look like something out of an action movie.
Yeah, listen, I can see it, so I'm not too far away. We're out our command center.
That's a lovely, lovely voice.
That our flag was still there. Who see does that star-spangled banner yet wave? O'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Armed for battle. This guy went in there armed for some kind of horrific event and apparently was able to carry it out.
He died yesterday. The cause of death was not immediately given. Saragusa, known as Goose, was part of a fearsome...
Fans are mourning the shocking death of a 26-year-old linebacker who died suddenly overnight. Lucas Tomlinson has more on that for us. Hello, Lucas.
Sandra, police say there were no signs of trauma or foul play, but detectives are not ruling out the possibility of an overdose. According to the Baltimore Sun, police responded Tuesday night to reports of a questionable death at the home in Baltimore's Harwood neighborhood. There, police found Ferguson unresponsive, receiving treatment from medics. Ferguson never regained consciousness and was pronounced dead on the scene by medics. 26-year-old Jalen Ferguson was entering his 4th season with the Baltimore Ravens. The outside linebacker was a 3rd-round pick in the 2019 NFL Draft out of Louisiana.
This is a screen grab from the movie, last one that just came out, The Dark Knight Rises. You remember that? Emotional material. It's also believed to be what we just saw you, just in a place where you could see it. Now, here's where the controversy starts. If you look down here, where we just circled it, it's hard to tell, but this is the area of Gotham called Sandy Hook. Of course, after last month's shooting, you're reminded about what happened at Sandy Hook Elementary in Newtown, Connecticut. And don't forget the Aurora Theater shootings were at the premiere of this Dark Knight Rises movie. And that might explain...
Also, in a tragic coincidence, this year's marathon was honoring the victims of the Newtown School massacre. There was a special marker at mile number 26, just a few hundred yards from the site of the bombings. Terrell Brown spoke to...